pieces of fabric that are 7.5 inches by 14 inches. I'm going to take a glue stick. I always like to do this at the top here just to hold my zipper in place. It's just a little fabric glue stick. And I'm going to take my zipper. It's much longer than I need, but that's okay. I'll cut it off. And I put the zipper with the right side facing down and just kind of keep that in place right there. And I'm going to take my second lining piece and place it over top. So I'm sandwiching this zipper in between two layers of fabric. Okay. Now I'm going to take it to the machine, and I have my zipper foot on, and I'm going to sew all the way down. Get my threads. Now I'm going to open this up. So I'm doing a top stitch on the side of the zipper that it's attached to. Notice this one isn't attached to it. See how it's open? Only this side is attached. So I'm going to do a top stitch all the way down. All right. At this point, I now need to get this side of the zipper done. And so I'm going to pull my top piece and bring it over, and I'm going to bring this lining piece and bring it over here. So basically what I've done is I'm sandwiching the other side of this zipper now between the front and the lining. So I'm going to take another stab of my glue stick here. Okay, and I'm just going to run it across here. Again, it's just lightly, just to kind of help hold it all in place. So top, bring it over. And then I'm going to bring the bottom, this is the lining piece, up and sandwich that zipper in between. Okay. And sew that on. Okay, with that zipper in place, now I'm going to turn it right side out so that I can do a top stitch. And I'm actually going to unzip it a little bit. Whoops. So that it's a little bit easier for me to get to. Okay. Okay. All right, so my zipper has been installed. Okay, now I'm going to put right sides together right here. And I'm going to make the zipper go down by about 1 inch. So I just pull on this and bring this over top. So I just pull this down, and you can see I have approximately 1 inch right here. All right, so at this point, I'll take a little clip here just to hold this together on this side. Okay, and I'm going to sew down this and sew down this side. I'm going to back stitch a couple times over the zipper. On this side. That stitch. Okay, and then I'll trim that out. There you go. And take this little guy and poke him out the corners.
So cute.
So fun.